Bala. What a bala! Saved one and rebound, saved again! Edward Casivante. Beautiful, fine goalkeeping. Surely, Yunus Sentamu was supposed to make that count. A player with all the experience, all the time, and all the space should have scored that to make it 2. Good play by Hilary Mukundane. Abdul Karim Watambala. Why not? Good shots, good goalkeeping. And there. That was so direct, wasn't it? Surely Yunus Sentamu should have done much better. Soft tackle. Isaac Ogwang went down very, very easily. Here we go. Look at that. He had all the time to make it 2. And Ogwang again. Opening up well. Isaac Ogwang fizzling that ball away to O'Brien Obedi! Oh, we have seen goals in this league, but this is special. Brian Obedi, what a strike and what a goal! Somebody call 999 because the police constable has just scored a goal. He doesn't mind. He sees that all the time. What a strike from Obedi. What a beautiful goal. Look at that from Isaac Ogwang. And then to Brian Obedi. And that, my friend, is a masterclass goal. Salute. Salute the goal. Struck to perfection. And that there deserves a salute. Beautiful finish. It's Salem. Goes for that. Oh, it's the post and it's in. There is only one man. Only one man. He is the real. They have just arrested police here in Kitende by 2 goals to 1. They climb the table and they are finally where they do belong.